Nowadays, getting some peace and quiet can be next to impossible. In this society, there's loud noises coming from everywhere and it can be nearly impossible to focus. That is, until now. Introducing the Sound Earbuds. With these babies, you're 100% guaranteed to have all of those sounds blocked out and finally get that peace and quiet that you deserve. Isn't that right, Chad?
That's right, and they come in all sorts of different colors, like black, hot pink, ocean blue, Oz green, hot Ferrari
that's a
red,
lot of colors.
flaming
and if
orange,
you look online,
grapefruit,
reviews are
purple,
absolutely
and
raving for
white.
these things.
And even if you're not satisfied with your purchase, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. There's no catch.
Sounds like
We're
a
just
good deal
that
to me.
confident
And right
that
now,
you're
if you go
going to
online and
love
use
your
promo code
product.
SOUNDOUT, you'll get a second pair completely free. That's SOUNDOUT.
Wow, that's amazing.
Did you say something?
What?